Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. A default dict in Python is a dictionary subclass that provides a default value for a non-existent key. It's part of the collections module. While default dict is a powerful tool, there's a more Pythonic way to achieve similar functionality using the setDefault method of a regular dictionary. This can make your code more concise and readable. Let's go through a tutorial on how to write a default dict in a more Pythonic way. Default dict is a useful tool when working with dictionaries in Python, providing a default value for keys that haven't been set yet. However, there's a more Pythonic way to achieve a similar result using the setDefault method of a regular dictionary. This tutorial will guide you through writing a Pythonic default dict using setDefault. Firstly, import the necessary module. Let's start with the traditional default dict approach for reference. Suppose you want to create a default dict of lists. Output. Now, let's achieve the same result using a regular dictionary and the setDefault method. Output. While default dict is a powerful tool, the setDefault method of a regular dictionary can be a more Pythonic alternative in certain scenarios. Consider using it when you want to simplify your code and make it more readable. By following this tutorial, you've learned how to write a Pythonic default dict using setDefault. This can lead to cleaner and more elegant code in your Python projects. ChatGPT.